Meet Kevin, head of the sales department. Kevin uses Excel reports to track his department's performance. Not only did he have to manually source data from multiple platforms, it was also hard to check for accuracy. In addition, report creation and data refresh were also a challenge. It slowed down his ability to get other tasks down. Kevin faced the challenge of working with multiple Excel files and reports. He needed a solution that would simplify the process and save him time in tracking conversion rate, time to conversion, number of marketing qualified leads, etc. Introducing Lumenore, the all-in-one platform that provides a single dashboard with automated data refresh and advanced analytics to get win probabilities. Lumenore benefits include boosting sales productivity, identifying new sales opportunities, and planning effective sales targets. Lumenore also helps improve customer acquisition, incentivize sales teams, and increase customer retention. Lumenore provides people-level insights to assess the team's performance, minimizing the sales cycle length and increasing the conversion rate of marketing qualified leads to sales qualified leads. With Lumenore, you can increase the response rate and minimize dependency on the IT team with its no-code platform. Say goodbye to the challenges of working with multiple Excel files and reports and start seeing results immediately with Lumenore.